Hey Glamies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome, darling. So in today's video, I'm going to be recreating Barbie / Nicki Minaj pink sultry makeup look. Y'all know Nicki Minaj loves to do Barbie's looks, and in today's video, we're going to be recreating one of those looks. Here, if you're not subscribed, ensure that you hit the subscribe button. Starting off, I'm just doing my mother's brow using my MAC brown pencil. I'm not gonna go detail into this brow today. However, if you want to know how I do my eyebrows, I'll leave the link of one of my videos down in the description box so that you can check that out. Moving on to concealer, I'm just going in with my Elegant Pro concealer in Cool Tan. I'm just using that to clean up her brows. I'm just going into eyeshadow, so I'm going in with that nice pink matte eyeshadow right there. I'm just going to be using that and applying it all over her eye. I'm going to blend in that eyeshadow properly so that it looks nicely. You all know I always talk about blending. Blending is a key to every makeup, so ensure that you take your time to blend in your colors properly, okay guys? Going back in again with that concealer, I'm just using that to define the lid area where I want to be applying the pink shimmery shadow. I'm not doing any kind of dramatic cut crease, it's just like an area where I just want to define so that I can apply the shimmery eyeshadow properly without any mistakes. Going in with that shadow right there, I'm just using that to apply on the area where I cut the crease. Going back in with another pink eyeshadow, a lighter shade of shimmer. I'm just using that to apply towards the inner corner of her eyelid, as you can see. Now that the eyes are done, guys, I'm just going in with the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I'm just using that and applying on her face. So guys, now that I have my foundation blended in nicely, I'm just going back in again with that Elego Pro concealer and using that as a highlighter for today. Going in with a damp beauty blender, I'm just using that to blend in that concealer nicely into her skin. Right now I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup and using that to set the areas which I highlighted. So you guys, I just applied some contour to her face. Right now I'm just defining her cheekbone area, her jawline area, sorry, and I'm just tossing away the excess powder from her face. Right now you guys, I'm just going in with the same matte pink eyeshadow that we used at the beginning, using that to apply underneath her eyes so that her eyes come out nicely and doesn't look harsh at the bottom. So I did apply the eyelashes off camera. Right now I'm going in with that Patrick Star lipstick collaboration with MAC and just using that to apply on her lips. So guys, I did apply blush on her cheekbone, on her cheek area. So I didn't record that part. The clip, I do not know what the clip went to, but I did apply some blush to her cheek area. So guys, this is how I transform this beautiful innocent model into the Barbie queen. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, and until then I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye guys.